AI is shaping our future faster than ever. But here is the big question: can we trust it? From biased algorithms to decisions that impact lives, ethical AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. In today's video, we'll uncover 7 essential ethical strategies for effective AI regulation. Let's make AI work for us, not against us. Let's start with value alignment. AI system should mirror human values, things like fairness, empathy, and respect. For example, consider healthcare AI deciding on patients' care priorities. Without proper alignment, it might prioritize efficiency over humanity, leading to cold and inhuman outcomes. To fix this, AI developers need to collaborate with ethicists, sociologists, and diverse communities, ensuring that technology respects cultural and societal norms. Next, human oversight. AI might be fast, but it's not infallible. Think about automated hiring system. If left unchecked, they might reject candidate based on biased data. By placing humans in the review process, we ensure that AI doesn't operate like a runaway train. This isn't just about catching mistake, it's about steering AI toward decisions that align with ethical and practical goals. Now, let's talk about bias mitigation. Did you know that a language translation AI once suggested doctor for a man and nurse for a woman? That's a classic example of ingrained bias. The solution: use diverse and representative datasets during training and regularly audit AI models to identify and correct hidden prejudices. Bias free AI ensures fair outcomes for everyone, no matter their gender, race, or background. Accountability is key. Imagine an autonomous car causing an accident. Who is responsible? The car's owner, the manufacturer, or the programmer? With accountability mechanism, we can define clear lines of responsibility. Governments and organizations must establish legal frameworks that ensure ethical practices, protect users, and hold creators accountable when AI causes harm. Transparency and explainability aren't just technical challenges, they are ethical imperatives. Picture a loan application AI that rejects someone without explaining why. Frustrating, right? By making algorithms interpretable, we empower users to understand and challenge AI decisions. Tools like Explainable AI, XAI, make this possible, ensuring transparency builds trust. Ethical education and awareness might not sound groundbreaking, but it's a game changer. AI ethics isn't just for the tech expert, it's for everyone. Developers need training on bias and fairness. Businesses need workshops on ethical AI implementation. And consumers should understand AI's impact. Knowledge empowers all stakeholders to make better informed choices. And finally, standardization of ethical guidelines. Right now, AI regulations vary widely across countries, creating a patchwork of inconsistent rules. What we need is a global framework, a shared set of ethical standards that ensures AI works responsibly, no matter where it is deployed. Think of it like a moral compass for AI that everyone agrees on. AI is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. These 7 strategies aren't just ideas, they are essential steps to ensure AI benefits humanity. Which of these strategies do you think should be the top priority? Let us know in the comments. And if you love this video, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more cutting edge insights from B2Q Innovations. See you next time. Thank you.